Want to launch your online store but don't want to spend a fortune? Here's how you can get Shopify 3 months for just $1. Step 1. Head over to the official Shopify website using the special link in the description below. This offer isn't always visible from the homepage, so the link takes you directly to the $1 for 3 months deal. Step 2. Enter your email address and click Start Free Trial. In the next page, enter your password and click Create Shopify Account. Shopify will walk you through a quick setup, like choosing your business type and goals. Step 3. Let's get started. Where would you like to sell? Since you want to create an online store, select Online Store and click Next. In the next page, it asks you which of these pages describes you. Select I'm just starting. Step 4. What do you want to sell? Select dropshipping products, then click Get Started. Step 5. Choose Plan in the Pricing Plan page. Select Basic Plan, click Try Basic, choose the payment methods. PayPal or credit card, click on the Prefer Payment Method and input details. Then click Subscribe for $1 trial. Now you're in. Customize your store with a free theme, add products, connect a domain, and set up payments. Shopify makes it beginner-friendly with built-in tools. Pro tip. Use this 3-month deal to test your products, market your store, and start making sales. All with minimal upfront cost. So that's it. Shopify 3 months for $1 is the easiest way to start your online store on a budget. Click the link below, grab the offer, and start building your dream store today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want more Shopify tips. See you in the next one.